Hi, I'm Astrid. In this video, I want to show you a Jin Shin Jyutsu exercise to help ease anxiety in the moment when it's starting to happen. So we have an energy site on the body that is particularly helpful for the nervous system. And that safety energy lock, as we call it in Jin Shin Jyutsu, is here on the outside of the wrist. So by holding that safety energy lock, by placing the hand over the wrist, we are helping that safety energy lock help us. So all you need to do when you're feeling anxious, when you start feeling anxiety, is place your right hand over your left wrist like this, or place your left hand over your right wrist like this, and just connect the fingers if you can on the wrist here. So you just envelop the wrist with your hand. Just relax the hands and hold. And what you can also do with this other hand is just fold the four fingers onto the base of the thumb, because that is another safety energy lock. And that safety energy lock helps to clear the head. So we've got two safety energy locks that we can work with to calm that anxiety and to clear the head, to calm the head as well. So you can just do this whenever you feel the need and as long as you like. So you can hold until there is relief. This is Jin Shin Jyutsu in action. I hope you enjoy this exercise and look out for the next one. Bye for now.